Every time I saw a great YouTube video on AI productivity and coding, I'll save it, thinking I'll definitely come back to it. But that never happened. And after a few weeks, I'll remember some small idea from a particular video for which I don't remember who the creator was. I don't remember the title was. So I'll end up spending another 20 minutes just to get that particular video. This kept on happening until one evening I built a small system for myself to solve this. This is where I keep all the YouTube videos I want to remember. Now let me show you how I add a new one. I simply copy the YouTube's video link, paste it here and run my workflow. In a few seconds, the workflow watches the video, uses AI to understand it, extracts the title, creates a concise summary, pulls out the key takeaways, lists actionable step items, saves everything into my Notion database. That's it. I don't have to remember anything anymore. Now imagine, it's a week later. I don't remember the video's title. I don't remember the creator. I only remember one thing. Maybe agent. Found. Maybe LLMs. There it is. Or machine learning. Found again. Instead of searching YouTube all over again, I can search my own knowledge database. I know this isn't some revolutionary AI project. It's just something that solves my problem I keep running into. And honestly, those are the best kind of things to build. If I end up building something that's genuinely useful, I'll share it here.